Morning guys, day 3 and first look at this lovely R90. By far one of the most fun bikes I've ridden. There's another one, but it's all covered up. So the idea for today is, I'll show you on the screen right now. We are at the east side of Germany, near the Czechian border, and what we are going to do is ride straight next to the border down all the way to Austria. Our end of today is not yet in Austria, but very close to it, and yeah, slept very nice. We had the love suite, so that was nice as well. It was quite big. There were everywhere little love signs and hearts, so it was kind of cute. And now, yeah, check the environment. It's just amazing. Only birds. It's 7 o'clock currently. Just have a look at the other 90. Took a lovely picture yesterday. Show it on screen. I just love the 90 very much, but you cannot do as much with it as the 890 Adventure. So here are the other bikes. And there's Mike. So stay tuned for the day and see you on the road. Let's all just appreciate the morning silence here in Germany in the forest. I love this. Hey vriend. Hallo. Hello vriend. How are you doing, mate? What a cutie.
helmet's broke. Temporary fix. Dikke 30 graden. Had some issues with my helmet. The clip on the side, the bolt came loose, so now it's a tie rip. I cannot show you, but you saw it in the previous video. We did not cover the route. We are somewhere in Czechia, in the Czech Republic, so yeah. Take that off the box, been here, and it's 27 degrees, it's quite hot, and now eating sausage, the only thing they have. Fastest route towards Germany, and see you over there again.
Hoe heb je het nou in?
102. Oh, this is nice. 102. It's the best you can get for your engine. Hello guys, and welcome back at the end of today's riding. It was absolutely amazing. Got a few things that came loose. Somehow the mirror suddenly when riding maybe 160, it's tightened up again. My navigation suddenly came down. My helmet missed a screw, so it's now tied to my sun thingy. So I'm riding this bike a lot off-road. Nothing happens and I ride it on the road. I think it's due to the vibrations, everything comes loose. But beside that, we have a new hotel with an absolutely amazing view. I will fly the drone so you can see what I mean. Now it's time for a beer and yeah, get some chill, because it was a nice long ride and we are exhausted. 30 degrees, which is amazing by the way, but also very exhausting. Dinner met view.
Veel vlees dan voor het veld. Helemaal zo'n beetje.
Alrighty, that was it for the day. As you can see, it's going to storm. The wind is coming already. We'll put the bike somewhere safe. I'm gonna check all the bolts because the bike falls apart. See you guys tomorrow.